This is a list of notable magazines devoted to horticulture and gardening. Garden Culture, in English. Greenhouse Canada, in English. Garden Making, in English. Amateur Gardening, monthly, published by IPC. BBC Gardener's World. Curtis's Botanical Magazine, 1787, now published by Kew Gardens. The Garden, from 1866 as the Journal of the Royal Horticultural Society, under this title since 1975. Garden Culture, quarterly, published by GC Publishers. The Gardener's Chronicle, 1841, now part of Horticulture Week. Horticulture Week. The Plants Man, 1979, quarterly, published by the Royal Horticultural Society. Tsukiya Living Magazine, bi-monthly, published by Journal of Japanese Gardening, JOJG. See also